What's up, YouTube? This is Chase Bristow, the Gay Nomad. I bet you guys never knew that I am an animal lover. What? He fell out of it. This guy fell out of a tree. Oh, jumping out of my hand. Come here, bud. Come here. Come here, buddy. Okay. I got you. I got you, bud. You okay? Oh. Oh. It's okay. Look, there's your mommy. Look. Here. Come here, Mom. Poor guy fell out of the tree. I hope his mommy gets him. He's so adorable. Looks like a little Muppet. I'm on my way to see... Oh my. There's mommy. You're a kid. Mommy's swooping down at me. But yeah, this is, it's cute. There's mommy right there in the back. This guy took a long fall out of a tree. What, bud? Go find your mommy, okay? Here, I'll give you a little pet. Okay? There you go. There you are. A little pet, and I'll let you go, and you have a fantastic night. I'm gonna go see Evil Dead. It's a very scary movie, not suitable for children. And you have a fantastic evening. Off you go. What, now you're going to bond with me? Great. I'm Mother of the Year. Well, you can get off my hand now. I just wanted to... Oh, go on. Darling, I gotta go to the movies. I got my ticket. Why are you combing up my arm like that? Oh, come on. Your mommy will wait for you, okay? Your mommy's swooping down. Look at this thing. Little guy sticking his mouth like I'm gonna feed it. I can barely feed myself, hon. Just stay on the mulch, okay? Stay by the tree. Here. Stay by the tree. There you go. Don't, there, okay? Mommy's around here. Poor little birdie. Anywho, I gotta go see the movie Evil Dead. And I think when I'm done here, I'll find me a dealer. I don't know. Promise myself I get fucked up every day since I can't get an apartment. But I'm gonna see Evil Dead right now. I never have been to a D-Box. Whatever the hell that is, and this is I'm about to go in here and see Evil Dead Rise for the third time. This time on D-Box. Like, share, and subscribe and stay golden.